Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show you how to set up a calendar in Notion using an easy method. First, open Notion and create a brand new page. Then, select the Table Database option to start building your calendar. Give your database a clear and descriptive name, such as My Events or Project Deadlines, so you can easily identify its purpose later on. This initial step lays the foundation for all your scheduling needs within Notion. Next, we'll add the essential properties that make your calendar functional. Start by adding a date property to specify when events occur. Then, include a text property for the event's name or title. For better organization, add a select property to categorize your events, perhaps by project or type. Finally, a checkbox property is great for marking tasks as complete, giving you a clear overview of your progress. Now, let's transform your table into a visual calendar. Locate the plus Add a View button at the top of your database and click it. From the options, choose Calendar as your new view type. It's crucial to ensure this calendar view is linked to your date property so all your events appear correctly. You can also customize what information is visible on each calendar entry, making your schedule clear at a glance. With your calendar view ready, it's time to start populating it with your events. You can easily add new entries by clicking directly on any date within the calendar. This opens a new page where you can fill in all the details. Remember to use filters and sorts to organize your calendar by category or status. For even more advanced features, explore Notion's built-in calendar templates, which offer powerful pre-configured setups.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.